It's still this time of year right here. Well, it's the next day and we had our first autumn cold front come through, and it's in the 60s, so it feels real nice. There's the 96 Lasko, and of course the 8200 original on low, and the late 70s Kmart first gen plastic blades, working very well. And here's the other end of the house, drawing a nice breeze through the house, cooling it down, and airing out the bathrooms. And here is my current temperature. Very comfortable, 73.9 after starting at about, oh goodness, 77, 78 when I got home from work, so it's cooling her down. And here we are a couple hours later. It's almost bedtime, and this is pretty good sleeping temperature for me.